It's not that it's because it's poor pitching. It's just it's easier to find hitters than it is pitching at this level. And nice.
Just because you're not. How many times do you play 8:30 in the morning?
Nice play by the shortstop. Nice came a state, but just barely, So there's a hopper up the middle, easy double play. Nice play by the second.
Ground this one to second. And for the second time, sends it to the same player. A little bit of a bobble by Espen. Chopper right back to the pitcher. Peyton on to second, tap the bag, and it's a 1-0 over at third base for Burrett. This ball lifted into left center field. That's going to touch down and tag in the deepest part of the park. Over at third base for Burrett. This ball helped them get better and move to the next level. Sharply hit ball by Dixon. Helped them get better and move to the next level. Sharply hit ball by Dixon finds the, especially when you talk about a play at the plate as well.
Yeah.
This ball is right to second base. None of that's going to matter. Good job closing
here and watched, and they said that's a no scouting zone. Scouting zone is a swing and a miss there.
How about swing and a miss on the 1-2 and Dick's 20th home run.
And then he just goes with the pitch and drops it in for a base hit.
Looking for his 20th home run.
And then he just goes with the pitch and drops it in for a base hit. Should score 2 pretty easy, and it does. And he's hold to a single, but it's a
faced Durand yet this game.
And that's right up the middle. I bet they're going to send the runner. We're going to have a plate here. But the throw is a little bit off.